Good morning. Today I will tell you about antimicrobials. The drug which is used to cure disease caused by microorganisms is called antimicrobials. That may be antiviral, that may be antibacterial, that may be antifungal. The first class of medicines in this case are antibiotics. Anti means against, biotic means life. Those medicines which are in low concentration, either wholly or partly, kills microorganisms, inhibit their metabolic processes, are known by the name of antibiotics. You are very much familiar with this name. Do you know the story of invention of first antibiotic? In 1929, at the time of Second World War, the soldiers were severely affected by wounds. The research was going on. The scientists were searching any such medicine which do not affect the host, but the bacteria are invaded. There was a scientist named Alexander Fleming. He was doing research on it. He had a culture of bacteria in the petri dish which is responsible for the formation of such wounds. By chance, the spores of fungus Penicillium noctatum falls on those bacterial culture, and he was astonished to see that all the bacteria were killed. From here, the discovery of first antibiotic penicillin took place. Now there are large number of antibiotics. They are maybe having killing effect or they are maybe having inhibiting effect. These are of two types, bactericidals and bacteriostatic. Bactericidal are those which kills the bacteria like penicillin, streptomycin, olfacin. Bacteriostatics are those which only inhibit the metabolic processes by intervening in the only bacteria like erythromycin, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is discovered in 1947. This is a very useful medicine. It can be given at the type of acute fever, urinary infection, pneumonia, meningitis, and in so many other diseases. All those medicines which are used to kill bacteria are known by the name of spectrum. The first one are broad spectrum. The broad spectrum are those which can kill gram positive and gram negative bacteria, those chloramphenicol, olfacin, ampicillin. These are broad spectrum antibiotics. Then there are narrow spectrum antibiotics, those antibiotics which can either kill gram positive or gram negative bacteria. Then there are limited spectrum antibiotics. The penicillin G is a narrow spectrum. In the limited spectrum, they are useful either for a single disease or single organism. Now there are antiseptics and disinfectants. The antiseptics are those medicines or those substances which can kill or inhibit bacteria or any microorganism. These are applied on living tissues. They can be applied directly on skin like soframycin, furesin. These are examples of antiseptics. The disinfectants are those substances which can kill microorganisms, but they cannot be applied on the living tissues. These are applied on non-living tissues. You are using phenol in your houses, and that is a only disinfectant that is being used. The same substance can be used as a disinfectant as antiseptic. The 0.1% solution of phenol that act as a antiseptic and 1% solution of phenol that is acting as a disinfectant. Now I will tell you about various type of antiseptics and disinfectants.